when I'm here, I know I'm going to run into someone that I have worked with on and off for 10 years. So it's really just like coming together with friends.
People want to do the right thing. That's the good news. They care. They just need to know the information.
At first I was kind of nervous, kind of scared, but at this point everybody's just so nice and friendly. I've learned a lot, gotten some great tips on mindfulness and thinking about the future and, you know, my own future, but also getting just the networking opportunities, and I look forward to what else is to come.
We call it backcasting instead of planning, because a futurist plans from the future back to today instead of today towards the future, right? And then the final thing, you know how to get things done.
In order to be successful in our business, we always have to innovate and change our products, do more research, do it different ways, make our products better. So innovation is key. Well, I would tell anyone who wants to get more involved that they absolutely should get more involved and take on more responsibility.
EPA Administrator Andrew Wheeler convened senior leaders from across the recycling system to join EPA in signing the America Recycles Pledge.
So I think that I've found some pretty good solutions for some questions. So I'm really excited about it. I'm ready to get back and tell everybody what I learned.
If you miss this show, you missed an opportunity of a lifetime.